guys, it's Taya, and in today's video I'm showing y'all my tips and tricks, you can say, on how to enhance your own features with makeup. The focus is to really just like work with what you have. So yeah, just if you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, so I like to start off every look with a super hydrated face. So I'm using the Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum and pairing it with the Hydro Boost Gel Cream Moisturizer. And my skin is pretty balanced as far as oil production, so I find that a hydrated look gives my face way more definition than a matte look. But feel free to cater this and any other makeup look to your skin type. So I just followed up my moisturizer with my favorite under eye cream, the Clinique All About Eyes. And now I'm using the Laneige lip mask paired with the Fresh Sugar Lip Therapy, because you need to have hydrated lips before putting on any type of lipstick or lip gloss. So I use the mask and the therapy at the beginning of my makeup routine so that by the end, when I have to put on lipstick or lip gloss, my lips are already soft. And now I'm just priming my face with the hydrating primer and using micellar water to remove the product that's on my eyebrows. So I'm starting this look with my eyebrows, and today's video is proudly sponsored by Glossier, y'all. I'm literally so happy and thankful that they chose to sponsor my video, so shout out to them. Today I will be demonstrating natural and fluffy brows using Brow Flick and Boy Brow. So I'm starting the look off with Brow Flick, and if you guys didn't know, eyebrows are one of the most important parts of your face because they can make or break the makeup look. So it's important to make them symmetrical to your own features by starting the brows where the side of your nose bridge starts and ending them at the angle that the end of your eye goes towards. And I'm using the Brow Flick in the color black. I feel like I should have got the brown one, but either way, you guys can see I'm creating brow-like strokes following the direction that my natural brows go towards, and what this does is just make them look full and natural. And in today's video, we are trying to focus on a you but better makeup look, so the Brow Flick is perfect to keep your eyebrows realistic looking. And so all I'm doing right here is just blending out the product. You saw there were some harsh lines, so we just want to blend everything out to make it, you know, look seamless and natural. And Glossier is a cruelty-free brand designed to make luxury beauty accessible and uncomplicated, so it was obviously super easy to create a really natural and fluffy brow using the Brow Flick because you can kind of cater it to how your eyebrows look. I'm going in with the Boy Brow to further thicken and set my eyebrows in place, and I'm actually familiar with this product. I love it because it keeps everything in place without looking flaky or stiff. You guys can see it's really natural and just pretty. And as you guys can see, using the pomade made my brows fluffy and really just perfected the look even further. And my brows ended up looking perfect for my face. So shout out to Glossier for sponsoring today's video and sending over these amazing products. You guys can check out the description for all the product links down below. And yeah, let's move forward with today's video. Now, this next step is optional and I don't do it every day, but if you really want to make your eyebrows stand out but still look very seamless and natural, you can use foundation to carve them out. Here I'm using Fenty Beauty foundation, the hydrating one in the shade 420. Now, y'all are all probably familiar with doing this, but a tip that I live by is to carve them out by using the same shade as your skin on the top and a shade 1 to 2 shades lighter on the bottom. This gives your eyebrows a lifted effect, which is always good to enhance the face, but it doesn't create like a halo look. Like, I don't know if you guys remember when everyone was doing like the lighter color on the top and bottom. It makes your eyebrows like literally look like they're lifting off your face. So we want to keep them just lifted upwards, and doing a lighter color on the bottom definitely helps you achieve that look. Now I'm going to be color correcting with the NYX Filler Instinct in this red color. You can actually use a color correcting concealer during this step. This is just all I have at the moment. So this allows me to cover up imperfections without applying loads of makeup. And this next product I'm so excited about. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint as foundation today, and I've been in love with this product for everyday use because a little definitely goes a long way. So it's perfect for a your skin but better makeup look. And I use way more than I normally do for some reason, but y'all can see it still blended to look like skin, and that's just what I love about it. It looks like skin, but it also covers up a lot of imperfections, so it's perfect. So next is concealer, and today I'm using a Fenty Beauty one. I don't know the name, but I will have everything linked in the description like I always do. But concealer placement is really important, you guys, and you want to be careful with the amount that you use. So I always keep my concealer very close to my nose and eyes, because when you're blending, the concealer drags down your face and to your cheek area. So using too much concealer will make your face end up looking elongated, and we always want to keep everything super lifted. The rest of the places I focus my concealer are my chin, the sides of my mouth, forehead, and my nose bridge. And another tip that I have is the more precise you blend everything, the better and just more professional it'll look. So just make sure you take your time when you're blending. Just be very intentional about where you're blending. I'm not sure if I said this before, but that's just what I try to do, is just be very intentional. I also suggest only going 1 to 2 shades lighter when you're choosing your concealer color. Now I'm using the Cheeks Out Cream Bronzer in the color Chocolate. This is by Fenty Beauty, and I prefer bronzing over contour because if you're a beginner, contour can be very tricky, and you can easily mess up your makeup. Basically, you can make your face too dark or dull, and bronzer is usually more lightweight and makes you look very sun-kissed and just fresh. So in my opinion, it's way better if you want to just enhance your features and you're not looking to change any features or dramatically, make yourself look dramatically different. So again, just use a little bit at a time and be very intentional about where you want the product. For my nose, I just did like a rough outline of like my bridge and then on the sides underneath my nose. So now I'm using a really pink blush on my cheekbones, not my cheeks, to give my face a really healthy and youthful look while also keeping some structure and definition by applying it to the cheekbone area. So right here, I'm just using my CoverGirl setting powder to set my face. You guys can watch me demonstrate that, but I did want to talk a little bit more about the blush placement. So instead of placing my blush on my actual cheeks, I like to do it now on my cheekbones because I just feel like it really enhances your cheekbones. So if you don't have really prominent ones, I feel like it lifts your face a lot, and just, I just like the way it looks. It looks really nice to me. And now I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty bronzer and defining my eyelids and bringing that over to the bridge of my nose. So I feel like putting the bronzer in between the bridge of my nose and my eyebrows, like right here, makes it look more professional, like your whole makeup look. It just makes it look really put together. And I'm not doing anything specific with my eyes. I'm just defining them, like I said, darkening them up a little bit. And for a nose contour, since I already used powder, I already have a base. So now I'm just kind of going over that, and I just bring down the powder right before the tip of my nose. And I'm also putting bronzer underneath my nose, like right above my nostrils, but I'm not connecting them in the middle. But I also wanted to reiterate, we're not trying to make our nose look smaller or anything. Like I said, we're just enhancing everything. So just defining it. And then I'm just bronzing up the rest of my face where I already put that cream bronzer. And now we're bronzing underneath the eyes to eliminate any powdery look and to further define our eyes. And then you guys can wipe off any other powder that you have on your face. Alright, so now I'm going in with my Neutrogena eyelash and eyebrow serum just to prep my eyelashes for mascara. And today I'm actually going to be tight lining my eyes. So I'm going in with a brown liner by Fenty Beauty and just tight lining. This literally looks scary, but it's not that scary. And I'm also doing a really small eyeliner on the top and pairing that eyeliner with the tight lining just makes your lash line look fuller, which is going to make it look like you have thicker and fuller eyelashes than you actually do. Now I'm just curling my lashes, and this is a super simple step, but I did forget about it for a while. So if you also forgot about it, just don't forget to curl your lashes because it really makes a huge difference in your mascara. So the next thing I'm doing is creating a really tiny wing, and what this does is just make your eyes look a little more lifted, and it also gives the illusion that you have like kind of like a cat eye eyelash extension thing going. And now I'm just adding mascara, and this step is super simple. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost mascara, and I've been obsessed with this one. It's so good. Makes your lashes look really thick, and yeah. And for natural type of looks, I like to remove any clumps of mascara on my lower lashes. So I don't really worry about the top lashes, but underneath I do like to keep it really natural looking. And something else that I like to do is highlight my inner corner first with concealer and then highlighter, like a powder highlighter. And using the concealer first really helps the highlighter pop. And I also drag my concealer in a little bit just to make my eyes open, not concealer, my highlight, just to make my eyes open and bright. And for your nose highlight, always just do a line on your bridge and on the tip of your nose, but never connect those two lines because then it doesn't look right, honestly. And this next tip is like life-changing for me. So I use my highlighter on my cheekbones where the light hits my cheek. So not necessarily the bone, but like the actual cheek part. And I use highlighter right there. And this creates a really realistic and healthy looking glow, just like super natural. Also, if you have bigger cheekbones, putting the highlighter directly on your cheekbones makes them smaller. I don't like that, so I'd rather enhance them. So putting them on my cheeks just really makes my cheekbones pop out and defines them, and I really suggest you guys try it because it's changed my makeup looks. And now I'm using this NK Beauty lip liner that I got from the beauty supply. It's just a regular brown color. It's just closest to my skin, and if you guys want to enhance your lips but in a natural way, I suggest using a color that's like literally your skin color, or just the same shade range, so it can be darker but just a more natural looking color. And I do like to overline my lips, but I only do it towards the center. So on this area right here, I keep it within my natural lip line, but as you guys can tell, on the center on the top, I definitely overline that part, and it just makes your lips look pouty but still like they could be the actual shape of your lips. I also like to focus my lip liner on the corners of my lips, so you guys can see right on the bottom corners and in the center. Then you guys can use a blush that you'd use on your cheeks or your eyes, because it gives your lips a really natural color, really pretty, and you guys obviously know whatever shade of blush works for you on your face is definitely going to work on your lips. I'm also putting the blush on my eyelids just to kind of like tie everything together. And now I'm going in with a lip oil and a lip gloss. This lip oil is thebomb.com. Y'all need to go get it. It's from Ulta. I just saw it like as I was checking out, and I love it so much. It looks like a lip gloss, but it's a lip oil, so it's good for your lips. So anyways, you guys know I always use lip gloss. It's my favorite. But yeah, anyways, this is the final look. This is my feature enhancing makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.